Bonjour, ni NANABOOZHOO. You are watching Bonjour, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is memengwa indigenous. Now please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, memengwa. That's our word for today. Memengwa. Butterfly. Memengwa. Yeah, that was a really good introduction there. Oh, thank you very much. I always wanted to get into show business. Well, I think you got a bright future. Okay, memengwa. What should I say about memengwa? If you go to a powwow, you're going to see a lot of dancers who kind of look like this. They're the fancy shawl dancers. And they dance like butterflies. The memengwa is very sacred to the Anishinaabe. Yeah. So what else do I want to say about butterflies? Sometimes they say our minds are like butterflies. You think your mind's like a butterfly, memengwa? Sometimes, I don't know. Yeah. It's like we're walking through life and we think, hey, you know what? I'm going to sit down and I'm going to think about this thing for a while. I'm really going to get to the bottom of this. And then, before you know it, you're thinking about something else. You're thinking about this. You forgot to pick up milk at the store. You're going to sit down and make some sense out of your life. And then pretty soon you're thinking about, I don't know, something you watched on TV. Yeah, so they say, don't let your mind be like the butterfly. It's always floating around. You can never work anything out. Oh, okay, well, hey, that's just a little of your, I don't know what that is. But I'm going to say, that's it for me today. You've been watching Bonjour NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language, memengwa, butterfly, and culture. Powwows, dancers. Yeah, and about memengwa. I'd like to thank my special guest, memengwa. Oh yeah, no problem. I was happy to be on your show. Yeah, okay. Well, until we meet again, Gigawabamin, Minawa. I'll see you again. Oh, wow. Yeah, you did a good job. Oh, thank you very much.